Greetings of the day to all our esteemed viewers from all over the world. Today, on 22nd March 2023, we are at Vashi at a very, very phenomenal event for the first time in the history of District T2T1A2 called the Lions Idol. It's a singing competition to encourage young talent by the Lions fraternity. First time by District T2T1A2 Governor Mukesh Banerjee and Lion Lady Mohini ji. And we have one of the senior most lions of our district who is also a participant and a contestant up till now. That's Vidya ji. Welcome to this program.
Hello. Hi everybody. We are at the venue. A dream come true for all of us. Mohini ji has made it happen. And I was a participant but out of the fray, unfortunately. Or maybe fortunately, because I can now listen to all the beautiful singers. I can watch them sing. And Mohini ji has really made it happen. I mean, we have been kitchen singers, not bathroom singers. We have been kitchen singers, we can say. But she has brought us out. Now today you will see, everybody who is there today is a winner. Because only one person can become the idol. And I think each one is a winner. Maybe I am also a winner because I was a participant too. But I wish all of them all the best, and may this type of event go on and on. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vidya ji, for the kind views. And now we have probably whom we called. We've learned so much from her. Respected Kawal Dekhi ji. And she's one who's encouraged the last 60 years now. And we are so glad and fortunate that we have her amongst. Yes. Kawalji, this kind of events organized by Lions to promote talent, how far do you think this kind of events go to be able to boost talent and bring them to the national stage? We can expect probably a playback singer from the Lions fraternity in a few years if such competitions keep on continuing. Yes, two of them. Shubha and I mean, we have seen so very often there's so much talent, they probably never get the opportunity to probably come out and then we see they become playback singers. So probably when they come in competition like this is a wonderful opportunity. We have the Lion side there. Absolutely.
A very talented singer herself, Lion Dr. Dimple Padave ji, who is a Dean of St. George, and more importantly, she is a very, very good singer as well. And Dimple ji, from Lions Club Chembur, may I ask you, why are you here today?
Oh, this is one of its kind competition which the Lions Club International has organized, that is selecting your Lions Idol. ये concept ही इतना नया है और ये पहली बार मैंने सुना है, and इसमें जो enthusiasm मैंने देखा है for all the categories, I mean they are awesome. The organizers have taken so much effort to groom them, to train them and to prepare them for this finale day, and I'm here to cheer up for our Lions Club of Chembur. We have 2 participants. I'm here to cheer them up and I'm just waiting for this show to begin with.
The names of
our participants are Sanjeev and we have Shubha. So I'm here to cheer them up.
Absolutely, and Sanjeev ji is the better half, or she is the better half of Dimple ji, and I'm sure it's going to be a very rocking evening with both of them. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
We have with us a very, very dynamic leader of District T2T1A2, second VDG, elect Manish Ladge ji, first VDG elect, if I may say. And if I may ask you, sir, this kind of events, how do they help in promoting talent and taking it to the next level?
See, we have always seen that there is a huge amount of talent within the Lions Club also. 2 months back we had seen the Magnificent Queen. An excellent talent came out of that. A lot of ladies who had never envisaged, they were given opportunity. And this is another initiative by Lions Club. And Mukesh ji and Mohini ji have taken a lot of efforts to organize this. And we have seen so many participants coming up. Out of that, selections have happened, and then finally I think there are 24 or 25 finalists, and we are going to witness a wonderful event where very good singers are going to sing today, and there will be a healthy competition, I believe. Good judges are there, and this is a way, I think there is a lot of, you can see so many lions coming here today. This is the way we have been able to bring them along together with their family members, with their friends, which will improve bonding within the Lions, which will improve more quality members coming into Lionism when they see all these things happening. This is what is the whole purpose.
Wonderful. So we look forward to a wonderful evening and let's rock it. Young lion है जो मोहिनी जी के बारे में, who is the main coordinator and chief of this program today. Please ma'am, your name and बताइए.
Hello all lion friends. Hello all lion friends. I am Hetal Gosar from Bombay Uptown, घाटकोपर. मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, मैंने भी पार्टिसिपेट किया था. मुझे तो बिल्कुल भी ट्रस्ट नहीं था, लेकिन ठीक है, हम सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए, वो बात नहीं है. लेकिन हम ये बोलना चाहते हैं कि मोहिनी जी ने बहुत ही मोटिवेट किया, सपोर्ट किया, एनकरेज किया. हाँ, फिर नहीं हुआ वो अलग बात है, लेकिन मोहिनी जी का बहुत ही सपोर्ट है. तो हम उनके लिए 2 लाइन कहना चाहेंगे कि सबके हाथों में होती है लकीरें हजार, सबके हाथों में होती है लकीरें हजार, कभी गम तो कभी खुशियों की बहार, मगर हमें नाज है उन लकीरों पर कि जिसमें छिपा हो प्यार मोहिनी जी का बेशुमार. तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और मोहिनी जी ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया, और कहेंगे कि इतना प्यार लोग मोहिनी जी से क्यों करते हैं, क्योंकि चाणक्य जी कहते हैं कि फूलों की खुशबू वहाँ फैलती है जहाँ हवा का बहाव होता है. फूलों की खुशबू वहाँ फैलती है जहाँ हवा का बहाव होता है, लेकिन अच्छे कर्म और अच्छे लोगों की खुशबू तो चारों तरफ फैलती है. तो ऐसे हमारे मोहिनी जी जो हर एक को इतना मोटिवेट करते हैं, तो मैं उनका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ. और हमारे क्लब के कोई भी मेंबर सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए, लेकिन सिर्फ हम मोहिनी जी के लिए यहाँ आए हैं. हिप हिप हुर्रे.
Platform for boosting talent in competition like this.
It's a great platform, because the Lions can give publicity to the talent, and talent always needs the publicity. So Lions is the best platform, because we belong to more than 14-15 lakhs of membership all over the world. Especially in India, it's about 3 lakhs. So that message goes everywhere. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much, and we look forward to a wonderful evening with you. Good evening, sir. And your thoughts on Lions Idol, how Lionism can promote singing and talent in the country, and probably we can get a superstar singer from such competitions.
See, this is the beginning of our district activity, I should say, and I think the first time we are taking the chance to have such program, and definitely that will spread out throughout the country. May the people join us by seeing that this type of activity also is there. That is not the main activity, but this is also a promotional, that there are talent in the alliance also. So this is a very good activity, I think. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Go for it.
Thank you. और आज जो मुकेश जी और मोहिनी जी ने ये पूरा एक माहौल बना दिया है, सबको इकट्ठा किया है, रिस्पेक्टेड पार्थ डिस्ट्रिक्ट वन हनुमान जी, your thoughts on the same?
Rishi, thank you very much for taking my views. But today's program, which for the first time it is happening in our district under the leadership of Lion Mukesh Taneja, it is one of the best program for spreading Lionism throughout the in our, not only in our district but throughout India, and through Facebook, through you. And this will also attract a lot of members for us, because they would know what we are doing, what Lions are doing, and the money whatever is raised by us will be utilized for the activities also. So it is one of the best programs organized by our district governor Mukesh Taneja.
थैंक यू सो मच, वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू वंडरफुल इवनिंग विद यू। थैंक यू। हमारे साथ है योगा गुरु सत्यपाल चुग जी, जो माइक्रो कैबिनेट में हैं, एंड जयलाल मान जी। यू हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस एंटायर प्रोसेस, जहाँ पे लोगों को बुला के उनको सिखा के और आज लायंस आइडल में है। ये सारा प्रक्रिया के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए, कैसे हुआ और आज क्या हो रहा है?
ये हमारे गवर्नर की देन है। उन्होंने सोचा कि इंडियन आइडल प्रोग्राम होता है तो उसके बेस पे हम लाइन आइडल करें। हमारे लाइन में भी काफ़ी ऐसे हैं जो गाते हैं काफ़ी, लेकिन किसी को पता नहीं है, उनको खुद को भी नहीं पता था कि हम इतना अच्छा गा सकते हैं कुछ है। तो उन्होंने ये ढूंढ ढूंढ के सितारे निकाले, उसमें से 4-5 ऑडिशन की अलग अलग एरिया में, लगभग 60 जन को पहले इन्होंने शॉर्ट लिस्ट किया। उसमें से करते करते आज 25 पे आए हैं, 3-4 ऑडिशन हो चुके हैं। तो अभी आज देखिए, आप भूल जाओगे कि इंडियन आइडल अपने इसके अंदर भी लाइन्स आइडल बहुत अच्छे हैं, इतने अच्छे कलाकार हैं कि आप खुद हैरान होंगे कि लाइन्स भी इस बार क्या नए नए प्रोग्राम आ रहे हैं, जिसमें से एक ये भी एक देन है तो हमारे गवर्नर को और मोहिनी का दिमाग है जो इस तरफ गया, और हमको बहुत इस साल आनंद आ रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ नया मिल रहा है। धन्यवाद।
बढ़िया। तो आज भी आज शाम बहुत मजा आने वाला है। वी लुक फॉर द फैंटास्टिक इवनिंग टुडे। थैंक यू सर। Your thoughts on the wonderful program today and how this can boost our membership or probably talent in the country?
देखिए, ये जो गवर्नर जो भी काम करते हैं ना, कुछ इनोवेटिव करते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इनोवेशन नो, उनकी वजह से ना काफ़ी लोग जुड़ते हैं। तो दिस इज आज सब ओपन है, सबके लिए एंट्री फ्री है, और उन्होंने सबको इनवाइट किया है, यार दोस्तों को सबको है ना बुलाया है, ताकि मैक्सिमम लोग आएं और लायंस को देखें। इसका एक इमेज बिल्डिंग बनेगा, जिससे है ना ये जब पब्लिक में स्प्रेड होगा तो और लोग इसको प्रोग्राम को देख करके भी इसमें हमें बहुत ज़्यादा लाइन मेंबर मिलने की उम्मीद है, और इसी प्रकार हमको ये आगे बढ़ने का तरीका है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, sir. Wonderful. Dear friends, we have with us the creative head of Roar with Rishi, Lion Rupesh Mehta, the genius. And your thoughts on the program today?
This is one of the best fellowship program which I am seeing first time in our district, and this way all the participants, I think so around 90 to 100 people has taken part in this, and out of that 20 people had been 20 to 25 is going to perform live today. This is a rare opportunity singer gets, and here the Lion Lady Mohini ji as well as DG Governor Sir Mukesh Taneja has done ample of efforts to bring every Lions together, so together we can have a fellowship as well as together we can serve. Thank you, Lion Richie Oberoi.
Thank you, dear, and we look forward to a great evening with you.